What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today, this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a wig. And I got a couple wigs that I'm going to be making. This first wig that I'm going to make though is going to be for my release that I have on my ready to wear wigs. And it is going to be a glueless closure unit. So first, I'm going to start off with a mannequin head. You can get these off of Amazon. I'm going to drop the link down in the description for these. And I'm going to be using the head size 22. I'm also going to be using these pins that have the ball points at the top instead of these pins, just because these usually get caught onto the lace and it makes holes in the lace. I got a Singer heavy duty sewing machine. I got this sewing machine at Walmart. I forgot how much it was. These are also on Amazon too. But today we're just gonna focus on how to make a wig. I'm not really gonna go in description on how to set up the sewing machine, but if you guys want a video, let me know. And I'll show you guys how to thread the sewing machine for the sewing. I got the length on 3 and I have it on this zigzag. I'm using Gutterman sewing thread. I have my wig tags. I got a measuring tape. I got this Sharpie chalk marker. I like using this other than the metallic ones. They show up a little bit better, and I feel like the metallic ones dry out really fast. But this one is easier to use. And scissors. I got my wig caps. This is the brand that I use for my wig cap. A couple of clips. So we're gonna start off on the mannequin at first, and we're gonna put our wig cap onto the wig.
Yep. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run to my money. There is nobody,
We're gonna make sure that it's about 7 to 8 inches in the front between the cap and the mannequin.
living lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Just love me.
We're making sure that we get rid of this extra space on the cap so that it fits the head properly. When purchasing a glueless wig, you want to make sure that you know your head size, because this ensures that the wig is glueless.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving so fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but play too much, don't play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend.
On this unit, I'm using a 5x5 closure HD lace, and we're going to make sure that we bring the lace at least half an inch up on the cap. And I'm splitting it in half right here, and I'm cutting it so I know exactly where the middle part is, and I'm bringing it half an inch down. You want to make sure that you don't have any wrinkles or extra space on the closure. Go ahead and pull it back and tighten it up so that it's laying super flat onto the mannequin head.
Going back, no, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've been enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way.
We got the wig sewed and we got the lines crossed on there. So I thought I was tripping at first because usually I do an inch apart and they're thick. So just do it an inch apart if you're going to double the wefts, and do half an inch if you're going to single the wefts, if that makes sense, if you're going to not sew the wefts together. So we're going to start sewing on the sewing machine, y'all.
Nothing but love, nothing but love. Don't need sleep past 1 a.m.
Sewing the bundles onto the cap, make sure that you do not push or pull the cap through the sewing machine. The sewing machine will automatically pull the bundles and cap on there. If you stretch it or pull it or push it, it's going to affect the way the cap fits on the head. I'm just allowing the wig to guide through the sewing machine and make sure that they are following on the lines. That's it. I'm not pushing or pulling anything.
Now Taxes is an open door, literally, to new TurboTax stores. Meet our experts in person.
I just wanna take you there.
All right, y'all, after you sew all the tracks, just following the lines on the wig, we have our wig made. And the inside should kind of look like this. A few pieces of hair. But it should look very neat on the back. And the wig should be super flat at the end. Okay. And then you just want to cut this piece off around. And there you have your glueless wig. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments. And let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to thread your sewing machine. Until next time.